FOMO, scarcity, is a powerful psychological principle that influences people's decisions and behavior by creating a sense of limited availability. When something is perceived as scarce or in short supply, it becomes more desirable. This happens because people tend to fear missing out on rare or unique opportunities, which makes them more likely to act quickly to secure the scarce item or experience. Imagine you're at a store and see two items on a shelf. One has plenty of stock, while the other has only one left. Even if the two items are similar, you're more likely to feel a stronger urge to grab the one that's almost gone. This is because scarcity makes us think that the item is popular, valuable, or won't be available later, increasing its appeal. Why does scarcity work? Fear of missing out. People don't want to miss out on something that others have or something they might never get again. Perceived value. When something is scarce, we believe it must be valuable or high in demand, even if it's not necessarily better than other options. Urgency. Scarcity creates a sense of urgency, encouraging people to make quicker decisions instead of thinking things through. Examples of scarcity. Limited time offers. Think about a sale that is only available for 24 hours. Even if you weren't planning to buy anything, the limited time might make you feel like you need to act quickly before the opportunity is gone. Exclusive access. A new restaurant might open but only allow reservations for a few people each night. Because not everyone can get in, it feels like a special and exclusive experience, making people more eager to try it. Sold out products. Online stores often show items as only 2 left in stock. This creates a sense of scarcity. Even if you weren't looking to buy that item right away, seeing that it's almost sold out might push you to make a purchase sooner. Limited editions. A brand might release a limited edition product, like a special color of a phone or a rare collectible toy. Knowing that there are only a few available makes people feel like they need to get it before it's gone forever. High demand events. Concerts or events often sell tickets quickly. If you see that tickets are selling out fast or that there are only a few seats left, you're more likely to buy tickets right away to ensure you don't miss out. By understanding scarcity, you can see how businesses and people use this principle to influence decisions. Recognizing when scarcity is being used can help you make more informed choices and not feel pressured to act just because something seems limited.